Hello, in this video I'm with the Nokia 9 PureView and I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on this device. So first of all, to do this you have to open the phone dialer and then go to the contacts on the right bottom corner. Right now we can click, for example, the first contact, and we have to move to the right upper corner on the three dots and then click to set a ringtone. Right here we can find all default ringtones that we have on our device. So if you want to switch, for example, for this one, just click on it and click OK to confirm. If you want to add your own ringtone, you have to click like I did, and then tap on these three lines in the left upper corner. And here we can move between the recent files, the downloads on our device, or for example we can enter for our Google Drive, and here we can pick our custom audio file and we will be able to click OK to confirm. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.